Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to track task budget in Zoho Projects. All right. Before you can track a task budget, make sure that the specific project is budget enabled. Okay. To explain to you, let's go ahead over to the top right, click on the gear icon, go to portal configuration, and in here in the left panel, go to projects and budget. Make sure that the budget settings right here is enabled. Okay. And once that's done, when you go ahead and create a project right here, for example, from scratch, here we have the budget section. Okay, this will only be available if you have enabled it in settings. Okay, unfortunately, if you haven't enabled it from your past projects, well, you'll have to create one. Okay, a new one or a new project. So this one right here, I've already created for the last video where we tackled about how to set a project budget. Okay, so now to track the task budget, we would need to log the hours against the task first. Okay, let's go ahead over to time logs right here. For example, let's create a time log from budgeted project right here, just for example, and task issues. Make sure to enter the task right here. Let's just go ahead and create one. Add a task right here for this project, sample task, budget, associated team, owner would be me. Okay, work hours, maybe 8 hours right here. And on done, and the rate, it's up to you. Okay. Bidding type, make sure that it's set to billable. The specific task is billable. Okay. Hit on add. Now let's go back to time logs. Add time log, project, the task right here, sample task, maybe from 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. Okay. As you can see here, this specific task is set to billable. And here we have here at the very bottom, the cost per hour. So just click on add and here we have it. Okay. This one, it is billable, but it's actually pending. And here we have the actual cost. Okay. So when we go ahead over to projects right here and select the specific project or access it, we'll go ahead and locate the specific task right here. Use the slider and let's just locate the actual cost and budget right here. Okay, here we have it. Also, when you click on view right here on a specific task, as you can see, we have here the cost, the planned, actual, budget balance, and forecasted. Okay, and there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.